Lift the screen mesh. With the hook facing downward, push the screen mesh into the screening machine. When the screen mesh is sent into the deep place, the push rod can be used. Push the mesh with holding the screen hook. Pull out the push rod. Push into the whole screen mesh. The tail screen mesh needs to be pushed up after it is pushed in. At the same time, install the tail screen fixing tensioner. Hang the tensioner on the screen mesh. The tensioning screw passes through the fixing hole. Check whether the hook at the front end of the screen mesh is hung on the screen machine. Install the washer on the screw. Mounting nut. Tighten the nut with an electric wrench. Check whether the hook at the front end of the screen mesh is hung. Tighten all fixing nuts in sequence.